Hi, I'm Mr. Akram, and this is a quick revision for grade 4. And today we're going to talk about how to write the number in many form. So let's beginning. First, now you have a really big number. How to make it in the word form? The word form, it's like you need to write it in letters, like 100 and so on. Okay. So how to make it? First, you need to keep the place value chart in your mind. What's the meaning of place value chart? It's like ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, milliard, and so on. Okay. So first here, it's ones, tens, hundred. Again, ones, tens, hundred, which is thousand, 10,000, 100,000. So again, ones, tens, hundred. The first three number it's ones. The second three number is thousand, and the third three number it's a million. So first you need to circle the hundred with its digit. Hundred with its digit. Again, hundred with its digit, and ones with tens in circle. So now how to make it in the word form? Here you have 500. The 5 and the 100 in the same circle, so it's 500. You need to make a space between each two digit, okay? So it's 500. 6 and 7 in the same circle, so we called it 67. Again, it's 567. The 100, we called it alone. It's 500. And we read tens with ones together. So 6 and 7 become 67. 67 what? 67 million. Comma. Again, the 100, so 300. 21. 21 what? 1000. Comma. Again, it's 800. Again, it's 800. 91. Okay, let's make it a little harder. So first, using the place value chart, it's ones, tens, 100. Again, ones, tens, 100, which is 1000, and again ones, tens, 100, which represent 4 million, and it's ones milliard. So 5 alone, so 100 together, 100, 100, and ones tens together, together, together. So let's write it in the word form. Again, the word form, it's like this is called the standard form. The number in digit, it's called standard form. And if we make it in the letter, it's called word form. Again, in the digit, standard form. Letter, word form. Okay. So you need to convert from the standard form into the word form. So let's beginning. Here you have it's 5 milliard, comma 6 with 100, so it's 600. 0, 5 together, it's just 5. So 605, only 5? Of course not, it's 5 million, comma. Now you have no 100, it's 0 for the 100, so it's only 20. Again, the 100 place, it's a 0, so you can skip it. Again, we have nothing, it's called 0, 100. If you have in the 100 place or the ones place or the tens place 0, you can skip it. So 0, 100, we skip it. So we need to read this 2 and 0 become 20. Of course, 20,000, comma. Here you have in the hundred place 3, so it's 300. One more. Of course, you can solve it without write the place value chart if you keep it in your mind. If you not, write it with me again. It's ones, tens, hundred, ones, tens, hundred, which is thousand, ones, tens, hundred for million, and ones, tens for milliard. Let's start. We write it in the word form. So here you have no hundred, so it's 65 milliard. In the hundred, 3, so it's 300. 300, you have nothing in the ones and tens place, so it's 300 million. Now in the thousand place, we have nothing in the thousand place, so you can skip it, all of it. Okay, so we can skip the thousand place, and it's 200 and 1, so it's 201, and that's it. Now we're learning how to make the number in the standard form and the word form. What's about making the expanded form or decomposing form? Expand, it's equal to decompose, which mean break up the number, بنكسر النمبر. Now we have 56,708,021, and we needed to write it as expanded form, or you can the answer to find how to decompose this number. We have the number in the standard form, and we need to make it in the expanded form or the decomposing form. Okay, so how to make it? It's like the expanded number. We need to find the value for each digit. Again, expanded form or decomposing, it's like to find the value for each digit. So how to make it? First, we start with 5. How many digits before 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, plus. Now we have 6, so we need to write 6. How many digits before 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 zeros. Plus. Now we have 7. Write 7. How many digits before 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 5 zeros. Plus. Now it's not needed to write 0, because 0, the value of 0 equals 0. So we can skip it. And going to 8. How many digits before 8? 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros. Plus. Again, we can skip 0 because it's not important to write 0 because it has no value. So skip to 2. You have only one digit before 2, so it's 20 plus 1. You have nothing before 1, so it's only 1. Again, this is a convert from the standard form to the expanded form or decomposing form. One more. In the standard form, and we needed to write it in the expanded form or the decomposing form. Again, from standard form to expanded form or decomposing form. So expand, it's like break the number. We need to find the value for each digit. You have 7. How many digits before 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 zeros. Plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it's 5 zeros. Plus Of course, you can skip 0 because no value for 0, so it's not needed. Skip to 5. Before 5, 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros. Skip 0 to it's 20. So this is how to make it the standard form in the decomposing form or the expanded form. What about if we have expanded form and we need to write it in composing form or in the standard form? Like first, the biggest number which has more zero, which is 6. So first we need to write 6. This is composing. Or you can write it in the standard form. Okay, بنجمع النمبر. Write 6. 6 has 1 2 3 4 5 5 line. Here the 7 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So the 7 here. Again 1 2 1 2. So we need to write 3 here. 1 in the ones place, and the empty lines we need to write zeros. One more. Again, the greatest number which has greatest zeros, which is 8. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 3 4 5. So the one is here. Again 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. It's only 1. In the ones you have to put 0 in the blank line. One more. We need to write it in the standard form, or you can compose this number. Same meaning. The greatest number which has greatest 0 or more zeros is 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 3, it's in the thousand place. You can solve it like this: ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So here's a 3. 5 in the tens place, which is here. The 3 in the ones place, which is here. And all the empty line, both zeros. Okay? Now we have 365,921, and we need to write in the expanded form or the decomposing form, but by two different way. So the first way, which is easy, how to make it? First, expanded or decompose, it means break up the number. هنكسر النمبر، هنفصص النمبر, find the value for each digit. So 3, we need to write 3. How many digits before 3? 5, so 5 zeros, plus 6, 1 2 3 4 4 zeros, again plus 5 3 zeros, and 9 2 zeros, and 20 plus 1. This is the first way, right? So how to write it by another way? It's so easy. First, write 3, but before you put the zeros, put times 1. Again, write 3. Before you write 1 2 3 4 5 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5, just put times 1. Again, plus, we need to write 6, right? Write 6. How many zeros? 1 2 3 4. 4 zeros. But before you put it, the 4 zeros, put multiply or times 1 in bracket. Plus 5 times 1. How many zeros? Before 5, 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Again, plus 9 How many zeros? 1, 2. But before you put the zeros, put times 1 plus it's 2 times 10. Why? Because you have only one digit before it 2, so it's 1 0 and times 1 plus only 1. Okay? This is the second way to expand. Finally, we need to learn how to convert from the word form in the standard form. So let's start. First, you can read all the question one time. 2,521,402. So I am figuring out that I have the biggest value here is milliard. So I make a lines for place value ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, and finally milliard. Again, you have 2 in the milliard place, which is here. So I put it 2. Now I'm in the million here. You have 500 in the million place, which is ones, tens, 100. So here is 5. 21 million. 21. Now in the thousand place, but we have here nothing for thousand. So you can skip thousand, but don't forget to put it 30 to keep the place value for the thousand. Okay? Now you have 400. It's not 400 like this. No, it's 4 in the hundred place, which is here. Ones, tens, 100. 402. It's not 20. It's 2. It's mean 2 in the ones place. And put it 0 here. One more. Let's take an example. First, you need to read all the question one times quickly. It's 3,203,005. So I'm figuring out that the greatest place value here is the milliard. So using the place value chart, it's ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, finally milliard. We have 3 in the milliard place, so put it 3. Now this is a million, right? But here we have no million, so we need to put 30. Now in the thousand place, which is here. So you have 200 in the thousand place, which is here. And 3. It's not 30. It's 3. It's 3,000. It's meaning you have to put 3 in the ones thousand, which is here, and put 0 for the tens, for the 10,000. And 5. It's not 500 or it's not 50. It's just 5 in the ones. So you need to put it to 0 for the 100 and the 10. Okay? One more. 3,214,936. So you need to figure out the greatest place value here is million, right? So ones, tens, hundred, comma, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, comma, million. Here you have 3 in the million place. So now we have in the thousand place, you have 2 in the thousand place. Sorry, 200 in the thousand place. So here is ones, tens, 100. 14,000. 900. 9 in the 100. 36. And that's it. Now, the smallest number formed from 3719265 is. What's the meaning of this question? Now you have more many digit, okay, like 3, 7, 1, 2, 3, any digit, right? And you need format. Formats mean you need to put all the digit together to make a number. You have digit 4, 5, 6 all alone, and format it's mean you put it together to make a number like 5,332. Okay, So, but here we need to figure out how to make it smallest number. So, to find the smallest number from some digit, you need to rearrange this number from the smallest digit to the greatest digit, but without comma. You need to make it together, all together, okay? So, here the smallest digit is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9. And this is the smallest digit we can form it from this digit, letter B. The smallest number formed from 850139. Many students put 0 in the first. 0, 1, 3, and it's wrong. Why? Because 0 here has no value. So first you need to write the next smallest digit, which is 1. Then you need to put 0 and rearrange as usual. 3, 5, 8, 9. So the trick here, don't start with 0. Okay? Don't start with 0 in the smallest form. Letter C. The greatest number. The greatest number formed from 4 to any digit. You need to arrange the number from the greatest number to the smallest number. Okay? So the greatest number here is 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay? Letter D. The greatest number, again, we need to arrange the number from the greatest digit, which is 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1, 0. And it's okay to put the 0 in the end, because 0 in the ones has a value, but in the here doesn't has any value. Okay?